Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your BMW 5 Series key. It's a straightforward process that you can easily do at home. First, you'll need a few simple items: a small flathead screwdriver or your car's emergency key, and a fresh coin cell battery, either a CR2032 or CR2450, depending on your specific key model. Having these tools ready will make the process smooth and quick. The first step is to remove the emergency key blade from your fob. Look for a small button, usually on the back or side of the key. Press and hold this button down, then gently pull the metal key blade out. This emergency key is essential for manual entry and also serves as a handy tool for the next step. Once removed, place it somewhere safe. Now, with the emergency key removed, you'll see a small indentation or slot on the side of the key fob. Carefully insert the tip of your emergency key or a small flathead screwdriver into this slot. Apply gentle pressure and twist the tool to pry open the casing. You should hear a slight click as the two halves begin to separate. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic. Once the fob is open, you'll see the old coin cell battery. Gently remove it, paying attention to which side is facing up. Insert your new CR2032 or CR2450 battery, ensuring the positive side faces the same direction. Then, align the two halves of the key fob and press them together until they snap securely. Finally, slide the emergency key back into its slot. Your key fob should now be fully functional.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.